Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme C33 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll, or actually we don't have to scroll because as you can see on the third position we've got apps and notifications, so let's enter. Now we have to scroll down and tap on Special App Access, and here we have to find the option which is called Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course you can change it, so for example let me pick Chrome, just tap on it and tap on the switcher. Now we can go back, and as you can see the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and be careful. And it will work with all other apps, so you can just tap on it and tap on the switcher. And of course you can remove all previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.